Who don't cook? Who gon' cook? Who can't cook? Who? Who? Period. Hey gems, it's your girl MissJemima, and we are back at it again with another video. So today we're going to be doing a day in the life vlog. And you know, when I do these videos, I like to focus more on the work side of things. So I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of my day today. So I'm actually waiting to get my nails done. Oh my God, I didn't get my nails done. Oh, I just realized how much new growth there was. Like, oh my God. Y'all, like, I also need like a manicure. Y'all, I want to show y'all, but I'm embarrassed. Okay, like, I'm not, oh my God. Wow, this is overdue. But yeah, I'm waiting to get my nails done. I'm about 50 minutes early. So I just ordered a drink at Starbucks, and I got some oatmeal and a sandwich at McDonald's. I'm gonna pick them up in like 3 minutes. But yeah, I'm actually super hungry. And I think I'm gonna do color today. I'm putting my foot on my own neck, like Jemima. Give something, just a little something, you know. I'm a little nervous, you know. I don't know what color I'm gonna do yet. I kind of want to do like a design, but I have no inspiration right now. And if I don't think of anything, I'll just do like French tip with a color and have that color match my toes. Maybe I should just do that. But I just want to do something spicy. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, super hungry, about to eat some breakfast, some brekkie, and then head back to the house because I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of cleaning to do today. I have editing to do today. We have a full day ahead of us, y'all. But yeah, I had to stop and get a little maintenance done today because I can't anymore. So that's where we are with life. Yeah. All right, y'all. Okay, so change of plans. I am actually not getting my nails done. Y'all, I shifted my entire morning around this nail appointment, including my haircut. Work how to do like everything around this nail appointment just to be sitting there for like an hour and a half. So apparently the person before me came late and she still took her. So that's just derailing everything. And I have deadlines. I have content that I need to submit for people today in order for, you know, my video to go up on time. And so I'm just like, I can't spend my entire morning and afternoon waiting around to get my nails done. Like, that one setback just like high key messed everything up, and I have to film tonight. But I'm just like, I can't do like up close Instagram reel content with my nails looking this terrible. Like, it's my bad. Like, it's just it's frustrating, y'all. Like, I hate not being on time, and I hate being late. Punctuality is very big for me. That's why when I see you stressing out, like, oh my God, 10 minutes. Like, I'm very particular about time. Because my time is very precious. Like, I be trying to juggle 10,000 things at once. When one doesn't go as planned, it messes up everything. And I'm like, bro, I just spent all this time editing this video that's already going to take me forever. And I wasted it hanging around the nail salon. I'm irritated. Okay, so I'm done editing the video. Not my best work, but you know, I have to get it out. So it's uploading now. Hopefully it doesn't take 12,000 hours. But I'm about to make me a really quick meal. I grabbed this barbecue chicken teriyaki from Trader Joe's. It says fully cooked, just heat and serve. I'll be the judge of that. And I have this vegetable stir fry with zucchini spirals. And I'm just gonna throw everything in one pot. Cause I'm hungry and I don't have time, honey. I think this has like, teriyaki and whatever stir fry sauce. I feel like it should go together. When I put hot sauce, it's all gonna taste, you know, cohesive. So let's get cracking. What about me? I'm gonna throw everything in one pot and call it a day. Cause who has time? Who has patience? Child, period. Last minute addition, I forgot I had these like little microwavable pouches. I think it was like brown rice and quinoa, or like brown rice and lentil mix from Trader Joe's. Baby, I love me a steamed rice pouch, okay? So I'm gonna have that. I taste tested the chicken and veggies. Baby, I'm finna eat good. Oh, it's good and it's quick. I love that for me, y'all. Period. Who don't cook? Who gon' cook? Who can't cook? Who? Who? Period. So, yeah, that was so good. Oh my God. I don't know what was better, the flavor or the amount of time it took to make it. Like, less than 10 minutes, full-blown meal, all the categories in one. Got the protein, the carbs, the veggies. I am full. I want to take a nap. Like, that would like seal the deal. I love sleep. I love sleep. I'm not gonna nap though. I'm not. I have about 40 minutes before I have to get ready to go back to the nail salon. Very annoying, but I do have leftovers, so I'm gonna have that for dinner, so I don't have to worry about cooking later. And then when I get back, actually I should prep the film room because I started sorting laundry last night, and so I kind of have clothes sort of kind of everywhere. I should go do that now. I'm not going to though. The food is right here in my stomach. Like, I'm gonna let her digest a little bit before I jump up and start moving around again. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do some admin stuff. I need to go over the list of videos I have for my editor to edit, so I can decide like what she's gonna do, what I'm gonna do. Cause you know, last minute things happen, and sometimes you have to switch up the schedule. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna head back to the nail salon. You guys want that to talk? To the salon. I'm so upset I have to go back, but at least this video is, oh my God, it's still exporting from freaking, what's it called, Final Cut Pro. I really wanted to have this done before I left, but like, it's taking forever. I need this to be on YouTube in like the next 10 minutes. Come on. Like, this video has to go up on Sunday. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. It has to go up on Sunday because I don't have anything else. All right, y'all. Let me figure out my life, and then I'm gonna see y'all back at the nail salon. this is what they look like. Not Jemima with color. What? What? Oh my God. So I am back from getting my nails done, and she gave me a discount. And I basically got all these, what's the word? Razzle dazzle for free. Not razzle dazzle, but basically she didn't charge me for the French tip and all the like design and stuff. The designs. Child, struggling, but yeah, so I have to do a little bit of work. I need to check in on that video that I sent to have approved, because those need to be like, that's priority. So I need to get that done, and then once I'm done with that, I will throw on a quick face, and I need to film at least one video tonight. It's already 8 o'clock. Y'all, this nail appointment really like messed up my day, because my plan was to film at least 2. I did the prep work for 2. Child, I be saying 3. I can't do 3 in a day, y'all. It's too tiring. But my things, I don't like filming past 9 because I don't like disrupting my neighbors, and I feel like they can hear me. But I'm gonna have to. And it's the second night in a row that I'm gonna have to do this. But I had to, y'all, for the content. It's giving spring reels, baby. Okay, so let me knock this out, and then I'll see y'all when I'm throwing a quick face on. Okay, so they sent in corrections for me to make, so I have to make those. By the time I'm done with that and I prep the room, it's gonna be too late for me to film, so filming is not happening today. Disappointed about that, because I do have, actually no, I did have a packed weekend planned. All my plans fell through. Yeah. So I will have more time this weekend to get some work done. Cause baby, 2 days ago, I was like, I'm not gonna be able to breathe this weekend. Like, what am I gonna do? But yeah, everything fell through. But I think I still have one thing I can do this weekend that'll help add some fun to my plate. Cause child, kiss me up, actually, let me plan out my work schedule for this weekend, because I have a new video concept that I've been saying I was gonna do and never did. So maybe I'll do that this weekend. I don't know, I feel like a bad bitch, you know, my nails are done. So, and it involves me leaving my house. So I might do that this weekend. Oh my God. Okay, that's the plan. Y'all, this is a very realistic day in the life. I do a lot of planning, and I say that all the time. I do a lot of planning. Planning is half the job. But things very rarely go as planned. But I still believe in planning, because even when things don't go as planned, I know what's not being done, so I can readjust. I'm not saying never, but I'm rarely thrown for like a complete loop, you know? So, yeah, I'm going to plan out what I'm going to do this weekend. Yeah, I'm actually really glad that my weekend freed up. It gives me some time to like really like prepare for the rest of the month. You guys have been asking me so much for swimsuit content, and I love that, because prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. I'm finna give y'all all the content, honey. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. I'm not even gonna hold you. By the time I'm done on the computer, it's gonna be time for me to take a shower and hop into bed. Wow, very uneventful, but very realistic. Wow. Vanity sent me that today, but such is life. And I'm happy about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, y'all. Like, this is my day in the life. Wow. Yeah, today was a computer day. Not much action in the filming room, but all is well. Still got a lot of things done. I knocked out this video, so the uploads will continue to be seamless. Well, let me not say continue, because I did post a video late this week. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so my focus is to do better in terms of transitioning between like regular life and travel life, because like if I want to be this fake me out travel blogger, so you gonna need to get together. Like, you can't be needing to decompress after every trip. Like, I mean, you're going to need to, but you know, like, I need to be able to snap back into it, which means I need to stop snapping out of it, and be more mindful about the work that I have planned before taking impromptu trips. Yeah, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys didn't hate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles.